Here, you hold it. I'll get her.
Get her.
Come here. Come here, Wednesday. Come here. Look at that. Oh.
Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Are you serious? What a little turd.
Oh, hey.
Wednesday? We had to put her in timeout for chewing my shoes up. That is not timeout.
Well,
Is she even going to remember now?
No, you gotta get the boots in the shower and then put her in timeout.
They're in the trash now.
She won't remember. Hi. How are you?
Wednesday, you're a naughty little girl. She doesn't deserve those kisses right now. Stop giving her those kisses right now. Aw, you're so cute though.